Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Dodge Journey trunk from inside. First, locate the interior trunk latch behind the rear seat and clear space. Fold the seat forward slowly and reach toward the trunk opening area. If the latch feels stuck, use steady pressure and wiggle the handle while pulling. For emergencies, find the glow-in-the-dark release handle and pull firmly to free the trunk lid. Open the rear door and fold the seat release or access panel toward you. Reach into the trunk opening with your hand and feel for the metal latch or plastic handle. Push or pull the mechanism based on its orientation while stabilizing the seat back. Once the latch releases, lift the trunk lid slowly to avoid surprises and secure it so it does not fall shut while you exit or retrieve items. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during roadside checks and long drives, with a spill-proof lid that clips easily to a bag. Check the description for the link and current deals. Grab one if it helps you stay ready, and now let's get back to the video. If the interior latch isn't responding, locate the emergency release handle and pull it firmly toward you. Sometimes wiggling the latch while an assistant presses the exterior trunk button helps free a stuck mechanism. Avoid sharp tools that could damage the latch or trim, and if attempts fail, call roadside assistance or a locksmith to avoid injury. Keep calm and proceed methodically to protect yourself and the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.